Hey, it's test day. So these instructions are going to be posted up on Google Classroom, but I'm just going to give you a quick run through so you can see how it works before you get started. So if you're using your own laptop, first off, you're going to need to download the Robotic Virtual Worlds Level Builder. And so to do that, just go to the web page that you can see here, robotvirtualworlds.com/level builder, or just type RVW Level Builder into Google, and this should pop up. And then the second step here, download the Level Builder for RVW. That's what you want to download and install, and that'll make it so you can run this program. Alright, but for the rest of you guys, in order to get this going, here's what you need to do. So first off, you need to come on to your main screen and open up the Robot Virtual World. So there it is right there. Once it's opened, we can close through all that, and just click on New File. This will open up a new file. Click on Download to Robot, and save it as whatever you want to save it as. Doesn't really matter the name. We're just letting Robot Virtual Worlds know that we're using Vex by doing that. Okay, once we've done that, we don't need to worry about the curriculum companion, so you can just close that. Go to Window up on the top, and then here we have Open RVW Level Builder Utility. Click on that. And if you have not installed the Robot Level Builder, it'll pop up with a little error right there saying you need to download it first. Okay, that's going to bring you to this screen where you can see the build and you can see the play function. So on Google Classroom, there's a file for you guys, and that is the level for this test that you're going to be taking. So to play that level, you just go to play and wait for it to load. And this should pop up. And then so to find the test, you're going to need to drop down this menu right here and go to Browse. After you've done that, now you need to find where you put the file, and so I save my file in my Google Drive. Oops. And so I'm going to go get that. Oh boy, this is harder than it looks. Ta-da! There it is. And I'm going to open it. So wherever you guys saved it should be on there, and you can see right down here in the corner is a picture of the screen. You can choose which robot you want to use, and then go ahead and start the level. Also, you can control your robot if you just want to kind of drive it around and see what's happening. The A and D key are your turn, W moves you forward, X moves you back, or one of them moves you back, S moves you back. Alright, and it looks like I am in IQ mode, so hopefully that doesn't happen to you guys, but if it does, to get out of that, go to Robot, Platform Type, Vex, and Vex 2.0 Cortex, but yours should be out of that mode already. Alright, let's go back to the Level Builder utility real quick. So also you can go to Build function, so if you click on that Build button, and same thing, you can open up the file that I gave you guys. So I don't have time. Oh, there it is right there. I'm going to open it. And if you need to add anything onto the field to help you out, like if you need to add some lines to help your motion with your sensing, feel free to add those on there. The one thing you cannot do is you are not allowed to move the actual game objects. And so if you move any of those away from the original field, that's going to disqualify you. So keep those as they are, but you are allowed to add things to the field to help your sensing. Okay, that's it. Good luck. So you have this class period to write the code. Once you get your finalized code, and you can get as many points as you can, you're going to submit it onto Classroom. Make sure you submit to me the file that you make. And so back here in Robot C, whatever program you have written, go to File, Save As, save it somewhere on your desktop. So you can just call it your name or whatever you want to call it. Save it and then submit that through Classroom. Don't submit a cut, copy, paste of your code, but the actual file. That way I can run it. If you change the field layout at all, put some lines on there, other objects to help your sonar sensor, make sure you also submit your field file. And so that's an RVL file. Otherwise, when I run yours through my level, it's not going to work like it does on your level. And remember, of course, this is a test, so there's no talking, there's no sharing information, there's no chatting online, looking stuff up. You're working solely on your own. You can use your notes that are in your notebook, but that is it for this test.